I'm at my parents' place and my dad is going to teach me how to make a stained glass window.
We'll use this kind of mold. That's just a square wooden base. This is square. Tape it, and this will be the base. And what we are going to do is fill it in now with LED strips, and then we have to cut the glasses at the right size. We'll move from the left bottom corner all the way to the right. We're going to use 3 types of strips. The ones on the outside, and you can see it here, is called a U. You can see why. Then for most of the glass in between, we're going to use this H strip. So you put glass in here and in here. And for the middle section, we're going to use an H strip with a thicker core. And that will give extra strength. Yeah, so and just put it down. You press a bit, not too much. And then I'll pull. And that will give this very flexible LED strip a bit more strength. This is a LED knife. This is to cut LED. So for instance, the last part we have just damaged a bit. And I can just cut it like that. That's all you need to do. With this you can open it, just to make sure you open up the LED again. Because here in the end you see it's closed because you put pressure on it. Or if I would like to put another piece, say, into it, you can make it wider with just a thickening of that. The first U we can put here. We'll use these LED nails quite a bit. Pieces of glass will fit in here, and when you have fixed it and you want to set it, you can again use it with these nails to push it. We've made a double drawing. First drawing we'll use as the surface of what we're playing. The second one we have cut all of these samples of what we needed to cut. And then we have also big pieces of glass. The question is, how do you cut it? You cut it with a glass cutter, which is a very small diamond kind of cutter in the tool. Whatever you're going to cut, you have to break. How can I cut the glass such that I minimize the amount of glass I waste? I will try to cut it first in a shape that I cut it in one close, and I only use this piece, and then all of the glass here at the very top of it might be waste, but the rest I can still use for the next one. And I trace it, and I have a special white pen for it. You can see it in a minute. I'll take this away. And the most important thing of any glass is try to do it in one go. The cut itself very straight, and then I cut it in one go. And now the scary part comes, and it's breaking the glass. This is where you can see the line, and I put it on an edge. Tension, already done. So this is indeed as simple as it was.
Was perfect. Soort van.
Kun je niet zo doen?
Hoezo niet?
Nou ja, mag proberen.
Oké.
And show both how you can make it dirty and clean again. Story of my life. My kids make it dirty. Daddy has to clean up.